I'm Daniel Hauben, and I'm just here on location in the closing event of Skate the Bronx here on the concourse in front of the Andrew Friedman home. My friend Janine Alfieri, who sort of helped organize this, and several of other artist friends who designed this course for skaters, for skateboarders, and she invited me to come in an earlier event to just set up my easel and do what I call pop-up painting. And so that's what I, kind of never know what I'm going for, what I'm going to find when I get there. And that's kind of the unique experience of showing up on the scene and setting up my easel in the middle of all the activity. And in this case, I'm also filming an episode of my TV show called Art and About with Danny Hauben on BronxNet. So we're covering a lot of ground here. We're, sharing the drawing process with, the citizens of the Bronx who will see my show, and we're, putting myself as an artist out in the public realm where people can look over my shoulder and see what's going on. And somehow all of that factors into the final result of this pastel that I'm creating. So we'll see how it goes. You never know what you're going to get.